Utilize Christmas decoration to decorate home for New Year. It's an incredible occasion to take out the event upgrades and get bubbly for Christmas and New Year. In the event that you're looking for some new breathing life into considerations this season for your space at the Emerson, think about these stylish and great event contemplations. Inventive ideas you've never tried. On the off chance that you reliably design for the events, you're in all likelihood learned in setting up a Christmas tree, hanging lights, and putting a wreath on the entryway. Regardless, these time-respected plans aren't the primary way you can make a beautiful home for the events. Confederate Living offers a few popular and dandified thoughts for your vacation adornments. Christmas lanterns. Coordinate a social event of bubbly lights at your door for smart and straightforward event style. Think about using fireless candles as a clear differentiating alternative to ordinary segments. Embellish the gifts. Exquisite up your presents by connecting gong or trimmings. Use comparable concealing trim on all of your bundles under the Christmas tree to make a firm look with changed planned wrapping papers. Be smart with colors. Plan New Year embellishments to work with your current stylistic theme, regardless of whether that implies utilizing surprising tones like cream and beige. Be canny with colors. Mastermind Christmas embellishments to work with your present expressive topic. Paying little mind to the likelihood that suggests using unanticipated tones like cream and beige. Fun ideas for decorating your cozy space. On the off chance that you're living in one of the agreeable pats, there are a couple improving strategies you can use to guarantee your improvements don't crowd you out of your own home for the entire month of December. One awesome thought is to hang your sparkle lights from the rooftop, on the off chance that you're not setting up a tree this year. Yet rather notwithstanding you need some bubbly lighting, lights are an ideal development to your lighting up. Sparkle lights enhanced from the roof just as around entryways are awesome while spaces including some hidden costs. Despite the likelihood that you're not stressed over running out space, some extra event-themed lights are an astounding way to deal with enrich. Particularly on the off chance that you're not into the red and green demonstration of a tree or are looking for a couple of improvements to consolidate with a menorah. Wreaths, mistletoe, and other green embroideries. Alter your old decorations. You may have a compartment of beautifications you've been using for quite a long time. And seeing those old adornments and stockings causes you to feel all warm and fluffy every year. In any case, it very well may be period to get inventive with new enhancements and start some new conventions with your vacation stylistic layout. You may have a holder of designs you've been using for a serious long time and seeing those old trimmings and leggings causes you to feel all warm just as fleecy every year. In any case, it could be an ideal occasion to get inventive with new upgrades just to start some new shows with your getaway improvement. Thank you and you're welcome.